Hey gamers, welcome back to the channel. Today we're reviewing an absolute gaming powerhouse that delivers next-gen performance, the CyberPowerPC Gamer Xtreme VR gaming PC. Before diving in, make sure to check the link below to get this today at the best discounted price available. Video game emoji, blazing gaming performance. At the heart of this rig is the Intel Core i5-13400F, a 10-core, 6P plus 4E. Processor with a 2.5 GHz base clock and boost up to 4.6 GHz. It pairs perfectly with the RTX 5060, delivering buttery smooth 1080p and 1440p gaming in modern AAA titles and VR. Whether you're playing Call of Duty, Fortnite, Elden Ring, or even VR titles like Half-Life, Alyx, you can expect high FPS, ultra graphics settings, and no stutter. Rocket emoji, modern DDR5 plus PC 4.0 speed. 16GB DDR5 RAM, ultra-fast multitasking, future-proofing, and low latency. 1TB PC 4.0 NVMe SSD, game loading and boot times are lightning fast. From gaming to streaming and even productivity tasks, it's seamless all around. Meridian globe emoji, connectivity and design. Wi-Fi-ready plus Ethernet LAN, instant online access. Windows 11 Home pre-installed, smooth, gaming-friendly OS. Multiple USB 3.1, HDMI, DP ports for all your peripherals. The RGB OLED case with a tempered glass side panel also makes it a total showpiece on your desk. Fire emoji, why this rig stands out. White check mark emoji, great price to performance ratio. White check mark emoji, perfect for new-gen gamers, streamers and VR users. White check mark emoji, upgrade friendly for future GPU or RAM expansions. White check mark emoji, sleek RGB design, plug and play ready. Speech bubble emoji, final verdict. The CyberPowerPC Gamer Xtreme VR is one of the best pre-built gaming PCs under $1,000 right now. With RTX 5060 graphics, DDR5 memory, and Intel's latest 13th gen CPU, this rig is ready for everything from serious esports to immersive open-world gaming. If you're searching for a ready-to-game, modern desktop that's VR capable, this one's a no-brainer.